Hi guys, today I'm just gonna be showing you guys all my fidgets because I got a bunch new fidgets, and some of them aren't really fidgets. I just use them as fidgets, but I will be getting a puppet soon and other fidgets, so super excited about that. But anyways, let's get into it. So first we're gonna start off with my headphones are stuck. My fidget baskets, because my slimes weren't in my fidget basket, but I'm going to put them in now. I'm going to play with all my slimes first and show you guys all my slimes. So this is my first ever fidget account, and look at all my fidgets. Oh my god. I mean, not fidget account, fidget video on YouTube. But look at all my fidgets. I'm going to need another basket soon. So let's start off with this mystery slime. It's yellow and it has pineapples in it. Oh my god, I'm sick. Ooh. Okay, so I haven't played with these in a while, so these are my reaction from not playing with them in a while. Ooh, they're really cold. It's really cold. I love how all the pineapples are at the bottom, because like I love when they go to the bottom and I just get to reform them. It seems that I got a little softer because it was a little bit hard, but it seems that I got a little bit softer, but not that much. So we're gonna take all my fidgets out actually. Fidget tornado! Alright, let's put this slime back in. Okay, next fidget is going to be this flashback slime. Okay. Ooh. This is exactly how I remember it. Super nice and soft. Exactly how I remembered this slime. I love how it didn't change. I loved it just the way it was. Okay, next fidget. Oh, looks like the next one is going to be this green stress ball that I have. This is a Nido, and it's not color changing. As you can see, it's just plain old white. Our next fidget, some of these aren't a fidget, some of these I just put in here, like this ponytail. This isn't really a fidget. This is, I mean, I do have these types of ponytails as fidgets, but it's not this one. And then these are just rubber bands I have in here. This is another rubber band I have in here. Okay, let's put all my non-fidgets back. Okay, I think that's all my non-fidgets that I just have chilling in there. Okay, next thing is, I guess I just grabbed this color changing needle. It changes from pink to purple. This is one of my favorite ones, and this is my first one like this one. So yeah. This one is my second one like this. Because the first one I ever got popped. It had a hole in it. I don't know how it popped, but it did. I think my little brother popped it. He just supposedly seen some pink coming out of it and was like, "Oh, Danny, look, this popped." But I think he actually took it and popped it and just hid the evidence. But I'm super glad I got another one because I love it. It changed from blue to pink, obviously. Okay, here's my last color changing one. It changes from yellow to orange. This is actually my third one like this because the first one I got, it popped. I forget how, but it definitely popped. I have literally the residue stains in on my deck because I was like, I just like put it outside and had to wait until its funeral. I don't know, I was really weird back then. Like, I'm still really weird, but yeah. Okay, but yeah. And then my second one, my sister was playing with it and I never seen it ever since. And that was like the second day I had it. And then this one, just love it. Okay, I guess next fidget is this Nido, pink Nido. This is my first pink needle. I need to get a purple one again, because that one popped. And then I need to get a orange one if I can't find mine, because that went missing. Anyways, this is this pink ball I got at the dollar store. I just like to toss it in the air and catch it. And I like to go like this with it. Oh, and another thing I like to do with my stress balls, I just pick 3 random stress balls and I juggle. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not really good at it because I just taught myself how to juggle. Oh. The trick is that real, like, circus people, I guess, do is they do it without looking. Like, how do you do that? Because I'm all like, oh. If I don't look, like, it's gonna go. Okay, but anyways, on to the next fidget. Let's see. Oh, I got 2. This is actually a fidget. This is actually, a thing that, like, goes in your bra, but this is from my old bra, and I use it it's actually a really good fidget. So if your sister or your mom has any old bras that you can take this out of, or you, if you're a girl, it's actually a really good. Pop it. Go ahead. Yeah. And you could also, like, make a cardboard and, like, put it in there, and it will literally be in cardboard. Oh, why is my face like that? Okay, but anyways, next fidget is gonna be this kinetic sand, I guess. This is my red kinetic sand. I used to be in love with this red kinetic sand. Like, I don't understand why even. Like, my little brother, he got this red kinetic sand, and ever since then, I've just been in love with it. I kind of lost connection with it after I lost this, but I reconnected with the color red ever since I found this sand again. This sand is like my red charm, if that makes sense. My lucky red charm, I guess. My red loving charm. Because after I found this, I even started using my red stylus pen, which I never used yet. So yeah, here's the kinetic sand. But yeah. So basically this video is about showing you my fidgets, which is a lot, and for a beginner, I do have a lot of fidgets. So yeah. But I will also be telling you things that just come up in my head and stuff. So yeah. Anyways, this is my first needle. It's my giant needle. It's orange and it changes weight, and I hate it. I hate it. I hate squeezing it. The only time I play with this is like whenever like it's been sitting out for a long time, and the mixture is so soothing. No neck, bitch. I want a neck, please. No neck, bitch. Neck, bitch. No neck, bitch. Neck. No neck. No neck. Okay, but anyways, yeah. So I only squeeze this when I'm really mad, because like it's ginormous, and sometimes I go like that, which I know can pop and explode everywhere. So yeah. And then when I'm really mad, I just throw it at things. I just pretend that it's the person I hate. Like, say I'm mad at my mom, which I don't really mean this, and I don't really want to do this to my mom, but I do get mad at my mom sometimes and just want to fucking punch her. And this is like for the people who I watch in my show, like when they get me really mad, like, oh, like the people that I hate in some of my shows that I watch, like, yeah. So I just go. Okay. And yeah, you might think I'm psychotic, but another thing I like to do is like I'll be right back. I'm good. See, there's a couch under me. See, there's a couch here. How freaking convenient. I can just be. I got that catwalk. Hey, break your legs. Got the stress ball A. Would you like some chocolate pencils, mate? Next. Ooh, 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 ooh. Excuse me. Anyways, next fidget bitch. That hurt. That like hurt. Okay, whatever. We got this slime. What is it? Oh, this is my black hole slime. It's not a really good slime. It's not really good. Like, it's not. As I remember. Oh, it's a really good, like, poke now. Oh, still really rippy. I didn't, activate it or deactivate it very well. So that's why I hate this slime. Because whenever you squeeze it, it just... Shit. I gotta find that. Only... But yeah. Come back tomorrow to see me deactivate it. Because it's really bad and needs it. But yeah. The next fidget is going to be this ball. You'll be like, what are you going to do with this? Well, I'm going to do this. Oh, and this. So basically, I just do anything with it. Shit. I mean, shoot. Oh my god, I'm so glad that my crush doesn't know about my YouTube channel because I'm definitely posting this. And I'm gonna be embarrassed as hell, but okay. Oh, break your leg, break on, break on, break on. Throw it to the wall, break. Hey, I turned my volume up. Is my camera cracked? No, you're good. You guys are good. By the way, I'm recording this on my... I always record on my laptop or my phone, which I can't figure out how to do it on my laptop. So if any of you guys have some advice, please. Oh yeah, and an update. My glasses broke because they were pieces. Throwing them is how I broke them in the first place. Maybe I shouldn't throw them. Yeah. So now I have to wear tape on them. Okay, anyways, put this fidget in the basket. Next fidget is this, which, yeah. This one, I don't really like it because it doesn't come out, like, no matter what you do. Like, you can pull the edges of it, like, to get the edges loose, I guess. edges out a little to get them loose and nice, get them to want to come out, but still doesn't come out, like, which I don't really like to do, because it just takes a lot. I haven't played with this one in a while either. Oh no, I dropped some sand. One in a while either. So it's gonna be sticky. Well, not sticky, but sticking to it, the container. So that makes a lot of sense why it's sticking. Come off, kinetic sand. Ooh, I should never sing again because my voice is so ugly. I'm so glad nobody follows me and gonna see this, cause I am so alone. Like, I like how I support my friend Jocelyn, I guess, like, ex-friend. I don't know, she's really mean to me sometimes. She even blamed me for stealing an Android. Bitch, I have basically the newest iPhone out besides the iPhone 11. Cause I don't know much about iPhones, cause it's my first ever iPhone. But, yeah, my friend Sunny basically told me I have the newest iPhone out because I don't think they released a new iPhone since, last year, I think, of November. 2 years ago of November. I think I have my phone for 2 years. Did I? Nah. Yeah, playing. I did not have my phone for 2 years. Maybe I had it for like a year and a half. Cause I got it in November. November something. I think November 20th. But like, fuck you mean? Okay. Anyways, yeah, it was for like an early Christmas gift, from my mom. Because my mom, yeah, she knows that me and my sister, well, my sister Kara, she had an iPhone, but her asshole baby daddy broke it. Yes, we don't like him. We want him to get hit by a bus. Because he doesn't play child sport. He doesn't even have a job. All he plays is some stupid video games. Like, no ma'am, you have a child now. You may be a kid, but you made that thing. And the mom's not just gonna take it. My sister is not just going to take care of it herself. Like, you participated in making that baby. So you will participate in taking care of that baby. Okay, so pretty much all that's left is slime. This is sand slime, which I love. I have a blue one, but it dyes my hands blue. And I don't really like that. I don't know if this will, like, harden, but I definitely don't want to try it. Maybe I'll try it with a small piece of the blue one. The blue one was, like, definitely my favorite one whenever I first got them. But, now it's definitely this one because I haven't touched the blue one since I got it and figured out it dyes my hands blue. I played it with a few times after I figured it dyes my hands blue, and then I was like, stop it. Get some help. Okay, anyways, the next slime, because that's all we have left, is another mystery slime. This is green. Based on it, it looks like it would be watermelon. It smells like watermelon and stuff, but it smells like a lime. Does that make sense? So yeah. And it also kind of reminds me of a kiwi, even though these are like clear, but like kiwi is green. So I'm gonna call it kiwi lime. And then the pineapple one, the first slime first fidget that I was playing with, that I showed you guys, is Pineapple Passion. Since it's just mystery slime, I named it Pineapple Passion, and I want to name this one Kiwi Lime, or Lime Kiwi. I don't know, comment down below, should I name it, get some names with kiwi and lime in it. Kiwi Lime. Here, what the hell? Cause, no, that's kiwi strawberry, bitch. lime or lime kiwi? What the heck? What does my voice sound like this? Oh my god. Go away. Go away. Just go away. Just go away. Go away, bitch. Like, ain't nobody want my voice sounding like an Oompa Loompa. Like, no ma'am. I don't know why my voice sounds like this. Go back to normal, bitch. But anyways, this kiwi lime or lime kiwi. I like kiwi lime better, but comment down below if you have a better name or pick which one you like better. And yeah, the most one that's commented will get choose. So kiwi lime, lime kiwi. I really like kiwi lime, but it's your decision. Or other names. So kiwi lime, lime kiwi, or other names. I don't know why I was pointing to the screen like I'm gonna fucking put words there. No ma'am. No ma'am. Actually, I might. Okay, but yeah. Kiwi lime. I really like kiwi lime. I might end up being like, oh my god, if nobody commented, it's gonna be named kiwi lime. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I just have the stream on my computer, but let's see after I'm done with my fidgets. Okay, because that's what's holding up my phone. Okay, let's go with this deep sea slime. Oh my god, this one's a little rippy getting out. Like, see, it ripped a little, but it's super nice. I love the color. It's shimmery in the light. In the light, it's like purple whenever you get like this, but like then once you get it in the shade, it's blue. Like that's y'all can't tell me that that's fucking blue. That ain't blue. That's fucking blue, and this is fucking purple. Blue, 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 purple, blue, purple. Like it's not just on camera. Like when it's in the darkest, it's blue, but when it's in the light, it's purple. Mischief. You know what it reminds me of? Descendants 3. I forget her name. The girl's hair. But Mal's hair. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh my god, I don't know. But her hair, like, with the pink and the blue and the purple, like, yes, queen. I think that was Mal's hair. I don't fucking remember. I watched that shit, like, 2 years ago. If it even came out 2 years ago. I don't know. To be honest, I'm so confused. But honestly, what am I not confused? Let's go with lava slime. And I love this slime. It honestly looks so real. It looks like lava. And no matter what. And I love this slime because look. Okay, so look how it's shimmery, nice, beautiful. Oh, red, like the blue one or the purple one, and then it's dark red on the side. Oh, look how cool it is, like lava. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. But anyways, I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, I need mental help, and I'm trying to get that mental help, but yeah, that mental help ain't working. I don't just need mental help for my anxiety and my depression, which I do have, bitch. I have prescription pills for it. So don't y'all be in the comments. Those Karens be like, oh my god, no you don't. You don't have any mental illness. Yes I do, bitch. I'm depressed. Oh my god. Even though I don't seem depressed, I am depressed. Like, in front of the camera and other people, I'm not depressed, really. But, okay, anyways, this is fire and ice slime. I really get it, and I really like it. Like, the slime itself is the fire, and then these little gems that are in it, and the ice. The ice. Yeah, I really like it, and I really do get it. I didn't get it at first, and it's a really bad, it's, like, not too bad, but it's a weird feeling, and it made the gem or the ice makes it a little hard. But once you take them out, because I did take them out before, but also just the gems itself, could make a good fidget. Oh no, that one's has slime on it. I need to fully clean it. I didn't clean it at all. Anyways, let's put fire and ice away. Before we have to add more ice, because my house is set on fire. Oh wait, I don't only have just slime left. These are ponytails that are too tight to go on my wrist, so I don't really wear them all the time. I wear my nice loose ones that I love, that I found out my mom found at Walmart. But anyways, these are really, and they're like bike chains or those weird things. And my mom only got this at the dollar store. The dollar store for 99 cents. Go to your local dollar store and get these little things. They should look like this, like on the little zip tie thing. Oh shit. Yeah, just make sure they're small to fit on your finger. You know those little like metal things that people do this with and stuff? Yeah, this one can not just go on your fingers and stuff, but it can extend. You can fling it at yourself and other people. Oh, look at my cute cat. Look at him. Look at him. I want to boop. Boop. But yeah. Oh my god. Let me actually tell you a funny story. So, my dad actually got him. He thought like it was this little liquidy things like this. He thought it was this. He thought it was this. This is not foundation. I mean, it was until it wasn't my skin tone. But it's just stained. I put makeup remover in it. But anyways, he thought it was one of those shit things. And it turns out it was Bubbles. Bubbles, yeah. He loved it. He loved it. It was so funny. Oh, I actually have another funny story about Max. He's such a funny cat. But anyways, he was, if you would blow the bubbles like directly towards him, he'll go, and it will pop on his nose. He'll go. It's so cute. And then the spray, my dad got spray for him, like the spraying stuff that you put on the toys. He put it on a scratching post that we got, that he doesn't really scratch anymore. He only goes in it every once in a while, and he was like, he woke up from his bed that's right next to him and was like, I smell catnip. I smell catnip. My crackhead today smell that catnip. And then he was looking for it. He was looking for it in his bed. He was like, he looked in it through the fish scratching post, because it is a fish. Literally, it's a fish with a little circle in it. Sometimes I just call it fishbowl scratching. Because it has like a bowl in it and it's a fish. A fishbowl. Please tell me nobody heard that. Anyways, probably not because nobody watched my videos. But anyways, and then there was this time whenever we got him his first layer. Anyways, this is my last fidget. Whenever we got him, I like, oh, it's really sticky. I haven't played with it in a while. But it's always really sticky. But anyways, so, we got him his first laser, and he was trying to eat it. Literally, this is around Christmas time. So he was laying under the Christmas tree, and it wasn't even around Easter time. It was literally about to be Thanksgiving. Like, Halloween just was over. My mom had the Christmas tree up. Yeah, had the Christmas tree up a few days after Halloween. Anyways, my mom's crazy. She loved that decorating, especially Christmas. But, she didn't even decorate for Thanksgiving. Spank the days. Anyways, and he was just laying under the Christmas tree, and my dad goes to try to play with him and pretend this, like, the little red dot, and, here, let me put this away so it doesn't stick my hand. And this is the floor, and I'm Max. He wouldn't actually open his mouth, he would just go. He would try to eat it, guys. It was so funny. I don't know if he does it anymore because I can't find his laser for the life of me. Yeah. But anyways, This is my last fidget I have. How do I videos almost over? It's actually 30 minutes, 18. It's 20. I don't fucking know how this YouTube shit works, but yeah. Cause I'm new. Hi, new. I'm Danny. But anyways, so yeah, this one doesn't have a really good hope. Oh, it's just sometimes it does. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. This slime sometimes is really weird. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. And also comment down below if anyone is watching what I should call you guys. My last name is V-Ties. Should I call you the V-Ties? The V-Fans? The Baby Yoda? I don't know. Anything. The Maximuses? Nah, that's slang. Sorry, baby. Boop. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call you the V-Ties or the V-Fans. V-Tie. And fuck those teachers in my school who be like, Danny V-Tie. Bitch, it's V-Tie. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, besides the cussing. Anyways, but I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And even though it's night for me, ciao. Anyway, so, not to that messy stairway. Like the runway, bitch. By the way, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you guys just want to be over with this video. Oh, but yeah, I really have to. Let me fix y'all. Oh, don't look at my messy bed either. Alright. Oh shit. They got that cow. I got that cow up down. Look, I can even go. Oh no, my money, bitch. Don't fucking make that, bitch. Oh, okay, anyways. Oh, okay. And do the spin. Hi. Oh shit. Oh. No, foot just fell. Oh. Hold on, wait. I gotta do it again. It's a fashion. Oh, hey. Even though my fashion a little outdated. I almost fell. Bring me down. Oh, shit. Okay, anyways, bye, V-Fans. Let me know if you guys want to make that a thing, V-Fans. Okay, oh, dumbass. Let me know if you guys want to make that a thing, but, mwah, bye guys, love you. Peace.